I told you earlier, he was called during the time of Jeroboam. He was called during the time of Jeroboam II, who was from Israel, and Uzziah, who was from what? Judah, which is the southern kingdom. And as I told you, he came from a village called what? Tekoa. And you have to know that he was called 2 years before the earthquake. You have to mention all this when you're mentioning his call, how he was called by God. So he was called 2 years before the earthquake, and he was called in a vision. Those are things you should remember about his call. He was called in a vision. And when he was called, he was looking after his flock in the where? In the wilderness. So he was looking after his flock. What did we say he took care of? He was a shepherd of what and what? Sheep and? So now he was at the wilderness. And then he felt a sense of compulsion. He could not resist the call that he received through the vision. So he accepted the call. He accepted the call, and remember I told you, Amos was from Judah. So now he had to go to where? The northern kingdom, to Israel. Yes? Because now here is where there were the rich what? Merchants. So here is where he was told by God to go and preach. So he went there. And he preached terrible things for them. He told them many terrible things concerning that they were being judged by God. Yes, concerning judgment and what they were doing. So when he was prophesying their doom, that God is going to punish them because of what they were doing, we are going to talk about how all the things that the judgment that he told them. There was a high priest that you should mention during his call. There was high priest called who? Amaziah. Amaziah, when he was doing his prophesying and telling people to turn away from their sinful nature, Amaziah told him to go back to their. Amaziah told him to go back to where? To their homeland, Judah. Told him, can you go back to Judah? And you go there with your prophecies, and you make sure after you prophesy, you earn what? A living. You're paid for because of your prophesying. You know, now he was telling him a bad thing. Because whatever he was prophesying, people did not like him. As I told you, we were talking about false prophets and true prophets. Now he was a true prophet. And I told you true prophets were never liked. Remember that? Yes, they were never liked. So here, he was prophesying doom for them. So that is why the high priest, and remember this is a priest. A high priest, Amaziah, told him to go back to Judah and prophesy there in order to earn a living. So, although he faced opposition, he never gave up. He never gave up as a prophet. So he never left. That's all you're supposed to talk about in his call. So,